Hi, it's me, Hillary Kate. How you guys doing today? Anyways, so today I did my video like this look, as I just like it. It's like boom. As always, before we start, always wash your face with whatever you guys use as a facial wash. I use Clean and Clear because it matches my skin type. I used to have a lot of breakouts, but now it's like minimal, like it used to be. And then I use with a super cold water. It helps lifting up your skin. Kahit sa mukha man lang ay mukha tayong fresh yan, mga beshi waps. And then now what I'm gonna use as my primer is Smashbox Photo Finish. It is made out of silicone and other ingredients. Anyways, this matches my skin type because I have a very dry skin. Always make sure that you matches yours. Huwag nating ipagpilitan ng hindi dapat. Dapat alam nyo kung anong skin type nyo at i-match ang primer. Already prime my skin, I always put this mist lotion from Dior to do my foundation.
So I'm gonna last bitch, that thing. It's really, it smells so good. Last.
And then
So 3 drops is enough, don't put too much. And then I like massaging my face to make it a little pinkish. And my muscles so big. You know.
pag medyo nag-iidaran na tayo, stress sa buhay, mga wrinkles, naglalabasan, kung kailan naman hindi dapat magsilabasan, mga bastos. And then now, I'm gonna do my foundation.
I'm gonna dab my foundation because the others are going to work it out, and then I'll do that.
For concealer, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Eve Pearl's Salmon Concealer. I don't really, well, it depends on what am I gonna do. Or today, what I want to use is the Salmon Concealer because I have a really dark eyes right now, dark under eyes. So this Salmon concealer, it has a dark peachy tone and lighter peachy tone, which is good for like dark under eyes and it helps you glow a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is the darker side first. It's enough.
Sorry, actually masakit ako ngayon. And then after concealing and doing everything, I like baking it.
Because, you know, boyfriend nga nawawala eh. Foundation pa kaya. I like to do the under eye first. Bakit? Because I like letting it sit for a bit. Sorry, I forgot to tell you what I use for baking is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's right here, bitches. So I use this for baking my face and my under eyes. Sometimes I don't use the Laura Mercier. I use the Kat Von D Locked It.
Let the foundation sit there,
Contouring. I always start with a quickie contour stick from Hoola. It's a quickie contour stick, but I just use it as my base because I always, you know, when you have a really chubby face, you gotta contour it, girl. Contour it, bitch. Contour. Kung wala kang cheekbone, ipagpilitan mong may cheekbone ka.
kung ikaw naman yung double chin, then wala naman akong, hindi naman ganun kalapad yun, okay, pero
Ako lang ang nagko-contour hanggang baba, kahit hindi naman dapat. Alam mo naman, pag may double chin, pag gabi na itatago, pag umaga, hindi. Oh, kita niya mga Bessie Waps? Oh, sabi. setting powders or the contouring powders, what I always use is the E41 powder brush. It's not actually a powder brush, but I just call it a powder brush. It's the E41 brush from Morphe. This is a really round brush. I like it for dusting. So I'm gonna dust now the one from my under eye. So now what I'm gonna do after my foundation is my eyebrows. Kailangan pak na pak ang eyebrows natin mga besiwa. Pero, wag na wag nyong igagaya sa mga ex nyo o sa mga taong nanakit sa inyo. Wag nyong kapalan. Now that my eyebrows is done, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now. The video was interrupted because my friends called me. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, yay! And then, I'm gonna use a really, not too light, but like a lighter shade because I'm gonna do a darker lip look today. So, I'm gonna start off with putting base on my eye with the lightest shade that I have, which is I'm gonna do the golden ochre. Oh, golden ochre. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna use this burnt orange from the same palette. The outer crease, I use these two shades, the raw sienna and the burnt orange. And then for the brows, I use the Vermeer shade. And now for the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna use the Primavera shade. If you have brush from your palettes, use it. I mean, if it works out for you, use it. I mean, you don't really have to buy extra brushes just because you want to. Always use, I mean, if you have money, okay, why not? But use your other resources if you don't have it, because you know sometimes you just like spending money if you really have it. Don't always, I mean, try to save. I mean, you know, life is hard. So now I'm done with my eyes. What I'm gonna do now is do my mascara. I'm gonna do that off cam. Now I'm back with my lashes on. See my lashes? So with my blush on, I like doing it together with the bronze. So I like using this NARS duo. What I'm gonna do now is my lip base. No. I like doing my lipstick with lip liner first. This is a lip liner from Morphe with the shade of Creamy from Jeffree Star. Sorry. It's a Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood shade. Now I'm gonna do my highlighter. I'm gonna use the Kitty Cat shade. Okay, if you like this look, hit like, and please subscribe. If you don't like this look, I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn.